Hey everybody, it's Neil, and this is the Shuziyu, and it is the brush cutter. It's the 3-prong one, so this is gonna be able to get some like a medium-sized brush as you're going through. I mean, it's not gonna get a tree with this one here. You'll need more of a saw blade looking one for that, but this is gonna be great for just whacking down brush as you go around places. For that tall brush, if you want to just cut out a field, man, you're gonna be good to go with this. Let's open it up here. I'll show you guys what it looks like here. So this is it here. Comes with the little, insert in here to, the little adapter. Remember those little record player adapters that go in there? But okay, so this is what it looks like here. So it's like a 3-prong one, and it's a little sharpened here on the edges. I mean, it's not razor sharp, but it'll just go through, and you'll be able to get all that brush. So if you've got some tall brush, you just want to whack through it all. This is what you'll need here, the brush cutter blade, and you can see that's the direction it'll go. So very cool. So 10 inches and good to go. Thumbs up.